Today, I'd like to give you a quick overview of an event comprised of roundtable and one-on-one meeting sessions organized with NetworkTables. I will walk you through the attendee and host journeys and give you some information on the event manager's backend as well. Let's get started. First, you, as an event manager, can specify your hosts. Once these hosts are all specified, they get an email, a little bit something like this. They see what sessions they will be able to host and where they can indicate their availability by clicking on the link. In clicking on the magic link, they're automatically logged into the system and can specify their availability. They create a table for the lunch sessions in this case and can also opt to host a one-on-one meeting table. Krowden, my colleague, does both. When the hosts have gotten around to indicating their availability, attendees get an email as well, notifying them that they can start using the platform. I, as an attendee of the event, now have the availability to schedule my meetings. Look, Krowden's lunch table still has one available seat. I'd love to sit there, so I seat myself. After taking a seat, I can then share my presence on social media in an easy manner. However, I do not only want to take a seat at a round table, I also want to schedule a one-on-one meeting. I navigate to the appropriate pane, choose one of the time slots, and see that Krowden is, again, available to meet. In requesting a meeting with her, I have to fill in a motivation, so that Krowden can see why I want to meet her. In requesting a meeting with Krowden, she gets notified by email or text message of my request. We make sure not to spam your attendees by batching these notifications and sending them out at pre-specified times. Krowden navigates to the platform and sees clearly that she has a request to review. As she finds me as interesting as I find her, she decides to accept my request. Now we will meet each other. I can navigate to the My Sessions pane to see where I need to go and link my calendar of choice so that I can easily import my sessions. On top of that, I receive a convenient email prior to the start of the event, giving me an overview of the sessions I have scheduled and the people I will meet. This all makes sure that people at your event meet each other at the right place at the right time. It leads to higher pre-event engagement, a larger number of total meetings, and a higher networking success, which all comes down to this: a large room full of people connecting and exchanging in valuable ways. As you can see, the tool is straightforward and easily navigable for attendees and hosts alike. Luckily, the same can be said about the event manager's backend. Setting up your event the way you like, however, may still take some effort, but don't worry, we'll help you in a kickoff call in which we make a plan and go through a step-by-step process together based on a guide. The most basic guide looks something like this. You set up your event's details. You create your sessions by importing them or setting up a session structure and letting your host indicate their availability. In the Sessions pane, you can also easily manage the roundtable seats and one-on-one meetings and requests for your attendees. Those attendees, of course, have to be imported first. This is done through either uploading a datasheet or simply linking NetworkTables with event ticketing platforms such as Eventbrite. Lastly, you schedule your communication with your attendees and have the opportunity to alter the basic templates, should you so desire. When the platform is set up, you can go live by giving your attendees access to the platform. They start building their schedules, and sometime before the event, you then allocate the one-on-one meetings by letting our algorithm specify the exact times for those meetings. This ensures that all people that want to meet each other can actually meet each other at your event. On the day itself, everyone networks the day away, and after, you have the opportunity to allow them to see whom they've met and exchange digital business cards with each other. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy networking!